Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelation. So today I'm here not only with a recipe but also with a product review. This is not a paid promotion. It's just my personal review on this product. You would have understood by now it is Borosil Sandwich Maker or Jumbo Grill. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. So this is the box in which it was delivered. I'll open the envelope then to check the bill. I'll open the box right now. The product code is BGRILLSS22. I'll be sharing the code as well as the link for buying it in the description box below. The power is 1000 watts with automatic temperature control. It makes up to 2 jumbo bread size grilled sandwiches, which I'll be showing you in the video. It has a stainless steel mirror finish body with non-stick coated plates. It opens up to 105 degrees and is floating hinged, which means the top grill plate can be adjusted according to the various size of sandwiches. There is also a side lock which is useful for easy storage. The cord length is decent and there is a cord wrap below the griller for easy storage. This is the user manual which was provided along with this product, and as mentioned the product code is also given on this manual. Now before I start using this product, I'll wipe the surface clean with a dry and clean kitchen towel. These are homemade breads. For all those who have not watched that spongy bread recipe, I'll be sharing the link below. You can grill 2 regular sized breads and 1 large sized bread at a time. When you switch on the griller, the red button goes on, and once the griller is hot and ready to use, the green button will indicate it. So here I'll be sharing a simple sandwich recipe where I've already prepared mint chutney, and this is homemade tomato sauce. For all those who have not watched it, I'll be sharing the link below. Just spread these sauces on the bread slices. Then place the veggies of your choice. Here I've placed a lettuce on top of the sauce. Here are some boiled and cut veggies. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Also, please do let me know if you want to learn more recipes on this griller. So after keeping all the veggies, I'll be placing 2 cheese slices on top, and then now let's grill the sandwich. So as I had mentioned earlier, the green button is on. That means the griller is ready to use. So we'll apply a little bit of butter or ghee on the plate, and then we will place the sandwich on it, and then also on the top slice, if at all you need, you can add in some butter or ghee, and then let's close the griller. So after about 1 minute, you can see that our sandwich is ready. The cheese has melted and there are nice grill marks on the bread slices. So you can see that our sandwich is ready. Next, I'll also show you 2 chicken rolls which I had grilled using this griller. In my previous video, I had shared the recipe for juicy chicken roll, so I'll not be repeating it here again. I'll be just showing how the griller works. So once you see the green button switched on, apply some ghee or butter on the griller plates and then place the chicken roll. So after about 1 minute, you will get juicy grilled chicken rolls or tortilla wraps. So I hope you all like this video. Do try out these recipes on the griller and do share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.